Is your business losing customers before conversion? Kovai faced the same challenge. In 2011, they developed BizTalk 360 to improve server monitoring. Today, they offer 4 powerful SaaS products. Written content alone won't drive engagement. That's where video comes in. Kovai uses product tutorial videos, boosting engagement by 60% and converting 30% more free trial users. Wistia's Analytics help optimize their video strategy. Engagement graphs reveal what captivates audiences. Heatmaps inform personalized outreach and shorten video lengths. Using Wistia's email capture, Kovai gathers leads from on-demand webinars. Their customized video player encourages free trial users to convert. Unlock growth like Kovai. Harness the power of video to boost your product adoption and customer engagement today.